Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing how to make an elevator. There's usually only for other stuff, and it usually doesn't work in this apartment. So I'm going to show you how to do in the apartment, and it's really easy, and it should only take like 140, around 140, or even 139 bucks. So let's get started. So first, you want to type in barrier. You want to stack them up like this. Like that. And then you want to type in cat. Get the catwalk and the catwalk stairs twice. And then type in bounce. Type in bound and get the bouncy castle. And then you can make any color you want. Like, I'm going to go and get the bunny bed for some nice color. And you can sell it like that. Okay, and then let's get another barrier and put it like this. Like that's high. Just place it like this. And then you can delete the barrier. Then you want to get the catwalk and the stairs. So you want to go like this. And you want to have it like this. You want to move it like that. And you can just walk up the stairs and you can delete the catwalk. Then you're like, how do I get up? Then that's when you see these spiky things, you can actually step on them. And you can use this one to get up here. So then you want to type in barrier again. And you want it to go a bit higher, like that. Then you want to type in catwalk, cat again. You want to get the catwalk and 2 stairs. Okay. So you want to get catwalk, and then you want to also get bounce. Bouncy castle. And then you can go down and press the color and use it for this one. Then you want to get type in barrier. And just make it higher, like that. And then you want to also get like over here. So you want to make it go a little bit back, like this. And then it should put it like that. Then you can put it up and delete the barrier and the catwalk. Okay, and there, I want to go up and jump on here, and jump on here, and then you can jump up. Then all you got to do is go up here, and I barely even used my money. As you can see, I barely even used any money. And to come down, you just go over here, you can jump, and you jump down like that. And it costs around 130 just to make this whole thing. As you can see, I have 1,020 left. And at first I had 156. 1,156. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!